guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing with you guys some Amazon cleaning and organization essentials that I absolutely love. If you guys already follow me over on Amazon, you may have seen my Amazon live where I talked about some of these, but you guys really loved it, so I thought I would share some of them on YouTube as well. If you haven't already followed me on Amazon, make sure you head on over there and follow my Amazon page. And after you follow me on my Amazon page, you will get notified when I go live on Amazon, and you guys will be able to see all of my live shows, which are super fun. I've been having so much fun doing those. And as always, I will have everything that I talk about in today's video listed in the description box down below for you guys to check out. The first thing that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video is the Redkey F10 foldable vacuum. Now this thing is super awesome because it's very compact and obviously it can fold. I also love that it has the smart dust detection where it has the different suction levels. There's actually 5 of them, and it will automatically adjust according to dust detection results. Basically, it's going to improve your cleaning efficiency and runtime. It's foldable, so it's going to eliminate the blind spots, so there's no need to bend your knees or get down on the floor to clean under your bed and couch, which is just amazing. And then it also has the 3-stage filtration, which it will keep the air duct clear of large dust particles and hair, and that basically is just going to improve the vacuum capacity. So as I mentioned over on my live, I just absolutely have been loving this vacuum. I love a good cordless compact vacuum. As you guys know, I absolutely love cleaning, so definitely wanted to share that vacuum with you guys in today's video. If you guys are in the market for a new vacuum, that is one of my favorites that I would definitely recommend you check out. All right, now we can talk about the under the sink organization. I have 2 pieces that I have under my sink for organization that I absolutely love. The first one is this under sink caddy on wheels. So I really like the fact that it's on wheels because it makes finding what you have under your sink very easy, because you just kind of lift it up and roll it back. So it's very easy to move things in and out. And then also from the same brand, I got this spin around under the sink caddy, and I absolutely love this thing. It's been very efficient when it comes to finding my cleaning products. The fact that it spins around just makes it so easy. And both of these paired together just make my under the sink organization super nice. Everything looks really nice and clean. So I would definitely recommend those 2 products if you're looking for kitchen organization for under your sink. This next item I've shown before, but I just can't get over how awesome it is, and that is the tea organizer. It's actually from the same brand that I just shared those other 2 pieces with you. Utopia is one of my favorite organization brands that they have on Amazon. Everything's very durable and such good quality, and they have like an organization solution for everyone. So this tea organizer is like one of those things I did not know that I needed, and once I got it, I love it. As I mentioned, I will just take out all the tea bags and then I will recycle the cardboard boxes they come in, and this saves so much space, especially if you're like a big tea drinker like me. I had a ton of different boxes, and after you remove the tea bags from the boxes and use this organizer, it takes up way less space. Another product from that brand, I swear I am not sponsored by them. I just truly love their products. They're really good quality, and like I said, they have a lot in their range of organizational products, but this one is a spinning little organizer that you can use in your pantry or cupboard, and I really like to use this one just to have different supplements in it, or anytime I get like any snacks, protein bars, or things like that. I also love the fact that if you want to use something that's in it, the clear containers actually come out. So it's very easy to like reach up into my cabinet and just pull one of those little containers and put it back and then spin it around to find everything. I'm a little bit on the shorter side, so it just makes things a lot easier when it comes to getting stuff out of my cabinet. And then to me, again, this does save a lot of space having that in my cabinet. The next 2 things I want to talk about are like my cleaning essentials. So the first one are these Lysol wipes. I cannot get enough of these. I ordered them a long time ago. They sent me some more actually, but I already had purchased them with my own money. I love these, and as I mentioned before, the fact that you can find Lysol products on Amazon is amazing because they've definitely been a lot harder to find within the last year or 2. So I just love these for sanitizing. Even sometimes when I'm like a little bit on the lazy side and I just want to do a nice clean and know that everything is really sanitized, I'll just like use these to clean some of the counters. I did that the other day. I did like a whole like sweep of cleaning, and I did it really quickly. So I was like, I'm just gonna use the wipes and I'm gonna wipe off all the counters, and it was seriously so much easier, so efficient when it comes to cleaning. So definitely would recommend picking up those wipes. You get a decent amount for the price, so I think they're well worth it. And then I did want to talk about the fact that you can get the actual spray disinfectant Lysol on Amazon. It is back in stock, and I just wanted to mention that because as I mentioned it is really hard to find Lysol, so the fact that it's on Amazon, and again, it's at a really great price, I would definitely recommend checking it out, because whenever it comes back in stock, I make sure to get enough because I love using it. I even will like spray it on my shoes, like bottoms, when I come back in, just so I know that like everything is nice and sanitized and I'm not bringing in a ton of like germs from outside. It's really great to use to spray on packages, just a ton of stuff. They're really great sprays for disinfecting, so I would highly recommend getting those products while you can on Amazon. This next thing I also talked about before, it is just a fabric shaver, but if you use this for your couch, you will like renew your couch so much. Oftentimes you don't even necessarily need a new couch. You can kind of upcycle the couch that you have, and these fabric shavers are perfect if you have a fabric couch. You will get that little bit of pilling, and on my couch in particular, it had a lot of pilling, and the pilling is actually what was a little discolored and dirty. So once I took this fabric shaver to my couch and really got into those nooks and crannies, I realized that my couch was like basically refreshed. So I would definitely recommend picking up one of these fabric shavers. They're super inexpensive and they can really refresh a more expensive item like a couch, and you can also use them on your clothes. Next thing that I wanted to share are a product from Amazon that I've had for several years. These are the under the sink organization little metal drawers. I've had them for so long, they're still available on Amazon, so I definitely wanted to share them because these are perfect for bathroom organization. I just have them underneath my bathroom sink, and they're so great at just organizing whatever you have in your bathroom. They're 2-tier and you can fit a lot of stuff in them, so definitely would recommend if you're struggling with organizing your bathroom. That is just a really great piece to have. You can put all your stuff in there, and with very minimal effort, everything's gonna look super organized. And then next, I wanted to talk about this olive oil liquid soap. I have been loving this. You can use it as like a multi-purpose thing. It is really great, especially for cleaning plants. It was recommended on a blog to mix it with water, dilute it down, and then you can actually use it to clean the leaves on your plants. And once I started doing that, my plants have been growing like crazy, so I would definitely recommend. But of course, it is an olive oil, like vegetable-based soap, so you can use it for cleaning, you can use it for washing your dishes. You basically get a lot of it, and it is super concentrated, so it's definitely worth it. And obviously, it is a lot better for the environment, and it's really healthy to use within your home. So if you're looking for a new, healthier cleaning product, I would definitely recommend trying that soap out. All right, and then another cleaning favorite of mine is just this Myers cleaning spray. I love this stuff. I like to use a mixture of like healthier cleaning products, but of course sometimes you need those stronger products for like really strong like disinfecting. But I love this stuff for just cleaning off my countertops and just anything that basically needs just like a quick nice clean. It's in this lavender scent, and they have a ton of scents, but to me the lavender scent is just my favorite. I tend to repurchase this one all the time. Also is available in a dish soap, which I absolutely love. So if you're looking for, again, some dish soap or cleaning products, definitely check out Myers because they have some really great ones. And then lastly, I just wanted to talk about the Botanical Origins laundry detergent, just because I mention this stuff all the time, but it is crazy because it's actually a vegan laundry detergent. It is really good for the environment, but I don't know what they put in it. It's like a magic potion. This stuff literally is just a basic laundry detergent, but it can get stains out of absolutely anything. So if you have anything that has like stains in it, I've had pieces that were like stained for years that I just didn't want to get rid of, but I never really wore them because they were stained, and I used this on them and it got like deep old stains out of my clothes. Like, it is ridiculous what this stuff can remove, and again, it's a little bit healthier and better for you to be using it, so I would highly recommend checking it out. It also smells amazing. So yeah, that is definitely my favorite laundry detergent. I always repurchase it. I would definitely recommend it. It doesn't have a ton of like harsh chemicals, but like I said, it still does the magic trick of getting stains out. So those were all of my organization and cleaning favorites that I think you guys should check out. As always, everything will be listed in the description box down below for you guys to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!